Alright, so this problem is we have two big yellow school buses crash. Bus A weighs 1,700 kilograms going 30 meters per second in the positive x direction. Bus B weighs 2,300 kilograms going 40 meters per second in the negative x direction. And we want to know what is their velocity when they collide, and what direction are the buses going to go after the crash. So, you start out, I drew a picture. I have bus A with 1,700 kilograms going 30 meters per second in the positive x direction. And we have bus B that weighs 2,300 kilograms moving at 40 meters per second in the negative x direction. So we're going to start off by using our formula. The formula we use is the velocity of bus A times the mass of bus A minus the velocity of bus B times the mass of bus B equals the velocity of bus final times the velocity of bus the bus total, which is right here. So what we know in this problem, which they gave us in the question, was the velocity of bus A is moving at 30 meters per second, and the velocity of and the mass of bus A, is 1,700 kilograms, both right here. And then we want to put velocity of bus B, which is 40 meters per second, and the mass of bus B, which is 2,300 kilograms. And so the problem is we still want to find this for our final answer. This answer right here. So what we have to do is we have to find out what this is before we can get that, so that we can get this to the other side of the problem to understand and work for our velocity of bus final. So what I did was that I figured out that it is mass of bus A plus the mass of bus B will equal the mass of the buses total. So I did 1,700 for mass of bus A plus 2,300 kilograms for mass of bus B equals 4,000 kilograms. Okay, so then we bring down all what we know into our solution, into our formula, and that it's 30 meters per second times 1,700 kilograms minus 40 meters per second times 2,300 kilograms equals velocity of bus final times the 4,000 kilograms, which we found for the mass of the buses total. So then we want to get this, you must divide by 4,000 kilograms, so we divided our whole problem. So then our solution is the velocity of bus final equals 30 meters per second times 1,700 kilograms minus 40 meters per second times 2,300 kilograms divided by 4,000 kilograms equals negative 10.25. And so we got the velocity of bus final is equal to negative 10.25 meters per second. And since this is going in the x direction, and this is going in the negative x, and this is obviously a heavier bus with a faster velocity, this bus is actually going to move this just a little bit that way, just because it's a little bit bigger. So, I mean, you have, say this is bus A, and this is bus B. The calculator's bigger, so obviously when it's coming in, it's coming at a faster velocity. It's going to push this farther until they both come to a stop because of the collision.